What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Samsung's Galaxy Audio Eraser on your Samsung Galaxy S25 phone. Now, if your phone has Galaxy Audio Eraser, it has to have One UI 7 or newer, and it also has to have be one of the newer phones. You know, it might come to the older phones, but right now it's only on the S25 phones. But by the time you're watching it, maybe it's on one of the other phones. So I'm going to show you how to use it. It's really simple and really helpful as well. So let's get into it. You have to open up the gallery app, so open that up, and then from there you have to go into a video. I'm going to show you two different videos. I've got this video first, and what you're going to do is at the bottom you see that Galaxy AI button, the one with all the twinkles and stars and stuff. Tap that, and basically it analyzes the audio in the video, and then from here it's very easy. I can listen to the original audio at the top there, and then in the middle I can play the video.
In 3, 2, 1.
So that's the audio, and I can play pause. And then I have auto. Auto automatically reduces the sounds that it thinks you should reduce. Otherwise, I can tap these. I got voices and noise. This is just one video. I'm going to show you another one that has even more things to mute, but this is just has voices and noise. And also I have mute. If I just want to mute something completely 100%, I can do that. I can do it on both things if I really wanted to. You'll see. It's not going to play any noise. Say this, it's completely muted. So if you want to do that. But otherwise, auto works great. If you hit auto, here's what the video sounds like now.
In 3, 2, 1.
So it kind of reduced the screams in the background. Here's the original.
In 3, 2, 1.
So it's kind of nice hearing the screams on there because it shows their excitement. But again, if I wanted to do that, or I can even amplify, I can manually control or decrease the volume on here. So I tapped on voices, and I can just drag my finger at the bottom here. Maybe I want the voices to be lower. I can let go and go up to minus 100. That'll completely mute them out, or I can make them louder. My voice, I should say. Here's the screams. The screams are counting as the noise. So maybe I want those to be louder too. I can make everything louder, or everything quiet, or something's quiet, something's loud, whatever I want, or hit auto and have that do its thing. But you'll hear it's going to be even louder now.
3, 2, 1.
And then when you're done, just hit save a copy, and it will save it for you, and you can go on to your next thing there. It saves it right into your gallery app. So I'm gonna go back now, and I'm gonna open up my other video here, and this video has a lot more sounds. If I hit that Galaxy AI button, it automatically brings me into the sound remover. And this one I have voices, I have wind, I have nature, and I have just background noise. Now if I hit auto, it's gonna minus 90% or 90% of the sound out of the noise. It's going to minus 90% of the nature sounds. It's going to minus 100% of the wind, and my voice is just staying at 100. So I'll hit play.
1, 2, 3, go.
And then here's the original. You heard it blocks a lot of noise out. So here's the original. So on the original, you can hear, people skating at the skate park. All of that's in there. But again, when you do the auto tuning of it, or if you manually get rid of some of these noises like the wind and the nature and some of the background noises, it really gets rid of those skaters in the background. And if you want to completely eliminate it, you literally just make sure it's at 100 for any and all of those things, so that's really all you can hear. We'll do this again.
One, two, three, go.
And in that sense, you're really just, and this works with multiple voices too. If there was multiple people talking, say I was walking and talking to my phone, and then someone was talking loud into the thing, I could actually mute them out. So it'll do multiple voices. It does the background noises, the nature noises, ambient noises, wind noises, all that stuff. So it's really, really helpful to eliminate those noises, and then just hit save as copy. And that's how you use the Galaxy Audio Eraser. Thanks for watching. If you want to pick up a Samsung Galaxy phone, it's linked down below. Get a great deal on a really, really great phone while the pre-order lasts. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.